Hi guys, welcome. You may recognize this as Leftwm ISO. In one of the videos, let me look, in the video of number 4155, I believe we've built our own ISO. So the one in the future, September. So you know that in July and August we're going down, holiday mode, and we've changed already the numbering system. So in mid-August or something like that, we'll build the actual one that we're going to release. But you can build it today, right? And then you have this number. And I wanted to try out Leftwm. And one of the things, I've just made a video Leftwm, which is called number 4155. ArcoNet installation of Leftwm, but this is the real metal thing because of the fact that the VirtualBox was just kind of rubbish. And I've always this issue with Azerty, which reminded me later on, I have something for it, right? I have this thing. I can quickly go for Azerty just by typing a little script that just moves the Azerty configuration over the QWERTY. So that's something only the Azerty guys are interested in. But QWERTY is the default. So you have to investigate, right? If you have other key bindings, you have to learn about a tiling window manager. In this case, Leftwm, where are the files? So there's also a little bit of a workflow kind of thing. Use an editor, the one you like and you love. You drop it in there and hopefully you see immediately all the things. This is the Azerty, that's the one I need. That's the one everybody uses, QWERTY, and these two guys are exactly the same. So have a look at all the folders, files, and read what it's all about. Look at the configuration. It's now Ron. It used to be Tommel, I think, right? So things change. Leftwm will update and will change. And this is the default, the Candy theme, but there are more themes. And we have actually aliases for it. LT is enough. So if you go for alias and then pipe it through LT. So this is LTA, left theme apply, and install, uninstall, and update and upgrade. So these things already inside your Bash or CZSH or Fish. But first of all, you need to have themes. So if you go and have a look at the website, which is of course arcolinuxd.com. The D stands for the desktop. You learn about desktops, and there are so many desktops out there, and it seems they pop up every now and again. These days Wayland things pop up. Here are all the desktops, and we're talking about Tiling Window Manager, Leftwm, and this is where you get info from the developers themselves or from us, or go look on YouTube. I mean, 48 videos is already a lot to watch to understand how Leftwm works. So theming. Well, there is something in here that makes my life easier. So probably interested, will be interested as well. So the install all ArcoLinux themes seems like a good idea. Just go grab everything, and I'll discover later on what I like. So Arise, DB, DB Color, they all come in now. It's just a basic git clone that is happening, and we have just to wait till everything comes in. The one I like is DB Nemesis, I think, is the one I've been using on my ISO builder for years, well, 1 year. And until I discovered ChatWM, which I am now using as default on the ISO builder for 1.5 years. So it's all about workflow. How do you like it? Does it work great with a dual screen? In my case, it's important for me. And here all these things are now installed, which means I can use those things, right? LT and then something, the A, the I was installed, but apply is now easy for me. DB Nemesis, I think the name is. Voila. And then I think that's done or not. LT update is there as well for the theme. I think we need to reload it or log out, log in, I don't know. Yep. So Super Shift R, we're not in a virtual machine, this is real metal. Super Shift R one more time, and then the borders are applied. So this is the look I'd like to play with. This is the wallpaper that comes with it, and the menu that's up here. That's gonna work. If you click in the middle, it really is important. Change the background, CB, and Firefox, Discord, Telegram, I think Minstick, Burner. Icon that is rubbish again, I think it was something else. And here we have some other things, some other information, Arch, and the exit button, right? So choices all around. So you choose whatever look you want to have. Everything looks nice. Super Q is working, Super D is working, Super D is working. No, it's not. So this Super D is not working. So it all depends on code. Super Shift D is working. Not that I miss anything, because Control F is Firefox and Control Alt V is going to be Vivaldi. If Vivaldi is installed and so on. It's all in the key bindings. We are on the tiling window manager. That means you need to learn these things out of your head. These are the Super F3 Inkscape. Super F3 Inkscape. Now, will it launch? Probably not. Why? Because it needs to be there. Right? -S Inkscape. We do not give you a bloated system. ArcoNet is quite, well, in our eyes, bare, but Inkscape was not there. Super F3, and F3 launches your Inkscape, and off you go. Save, thanks, blah blah, open. No, not open. New document, right? There you go. Super Q, it's gone again. And all these key bindings will work if you install the apps. Super F5 is certainly worth mentioning. That's melt, compare files, or compare folders, and there is a possibility to compare 3 files or folders, right? So that's certainly an interesting app. Sublime Text is here, also a super interesting thing. VLC is there. Okay, Super F6, there is your VLC. VirtualBox is there, Thunar is there, Super F8, Lollipop is there. Yes, it's there if it is installed. F12 and quit. Sudo pacman -s lollipop, right? Install it. Want something else there, and instead of that, go change the code. Super F9 was it? Don't recall. So a lollipop, not possible. Let's see if we installed it and it's working. It is working. Scan disabled, missing collections. Sure. Then you go and have some more setup, some more changes. Have a look. Lots of things to explore and to change, and it's all explained on those 48 videos. Just wanted to have a look again at it, see that everything works and that it installs with the latest ISO that you can build today. Let's end with that as well. There is this thing called AAG. AAG, yeah, I should log out and log in again because of the, well, the key bindings. Sexy hotkey daemon needs to be applied again, unfortunately. So ArcoLinux, is it installed? There you are. If you want to have an ISO that's built today, you click on ArcoNet, which is good, create, boom. It's gonna create everything you need and you'll get an ISO at the end. It's super simple. All you do, as in the video of 4155 ArcoNet installation of Leftwm, do that one and the git clone of a certain GitHub and run a script and done. All right, enjoy. Here he is.